medium size, 9-volt battery, duct tape, motor, straw, wooden skewers, and battery connector.
There are many strategies that we have planned to make our car the overall champion in this competition. First, for the Gold Coast Challenge, this car has perfectly aerodynamical shape that can reduce wind resistance.
Yes, it can make this car move very fast. The perfect wheel position can make this car more stable, move straight, and enter the 100 points good.
I'm very sure that strategy will be success confidently.
Okay, we'll tell all of you the other strategies for the pin rack challenge. First, we're gonna put the ice cream sticks in the right and left side to collapse all the pins, and also use this car speed plus the momentum that can make all the pins fall with the more faster.
As a conclusion, this car can reduce pollution because it uses environmentally friendly materials and it also requires low cost. We end this presentation with one purpose. We want to be a favorite hero.
And we want to be your hardest goodbye.
Thank you.